Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trig values step by step. First, let's grasp the unit circle, a fundamental tool in trigonometry. It helps visualize angles and their corresponding sine and cosine values. Remember, the x-coordinate represents cosine, and the y-coordinate represents sine for any point on the circle. This foundational understanding is crucial for mastering trigonometric functions. Next, concentrate on special angles such as 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. These are your building blocks. Once you know their values in the first quadrant, you can extend them to all 4 quadrants. Use the All Students Take Calculus mnemonic to recall which functions are positive in each quadrant. This systematic approach simplifies learning many values. Now, let's tackle tangent and the reciprocal functions. Tangent is simply sine divided by cosine. Once you have sine and cosine values, tangent becomes straightforward. Cosecant is 1 over sine, secant is 1 over cosine, and cotangent is 1 over tangent. Understanding these relationships allows you to derive many values from just a few memorized ones, making the process more efficient. Finally, consistent practice is key to solidifying your knowledge. Regularly draw the unit circle and fill in the values for various angles. Utilize flashcards or online quizzes to test your recall and identify areas needing more attention. Look for patterns and symmetries within the unit circle. This reduces the need for rote memorization and builds a deeper understanding of trigonometric values.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.